Looking to add some holiday magic to your home but don't want to spend a fortune? I've got you covered. In today's video, we'll create 5 stunning, budget-friendly DIY holiday decorations that will wow your guests and make your space feel merry and bright. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, these ideas are quick, easy, and guaranteed to bring festive vibes to your home. Let's dive in. First up, let's make a snowy mason jar lantern. You'll need a mason jar, white glue, Epsom salt, and a small LED candle. Spread glue on the outside of the jar using a brush. Sprinkle or roll the jar in Epsom salt and let it dry. Once done, place an LED candle inside. Place these lanterns on shelves or as a centerpiece for your table. They give off a beautiful, frosty glow that's perfect for cozy winter nights. Pro tip: add a ribbon or small evergreen sprigs around the jar for extra flair. Got some extra ornaments lying around? Let's turn them into a stunning garland. Use a sturdy ribbon or string of lights. Thread ornaments onto the ribbon, alternating sizes and colors. Secure each ornament with knots if needed. This garland is a showstopper for mantles, staircases, or even your holiday tree. And the best part, you're repurposing items you already have. Pro tip: add fairy lights to make your garland sparkle at night. Next, let's create fragrant cinnamon stick candles. You'll need a plain candle, cinnamon sticks, hot glue, and some twine or ribbon. Attach cinnamon sticks around the candle using hot glue. Wrap twine or ribbon around the sticks for a rustic finish. These candles not only look amazing but also add a subtle, festive aroma to your home. They're great for your own decor or as thoughtful handmade gifts. Pro tip: add a few sprigs of rosemary or faux berries for extra charm. Time for a classic. Let's make paper snowflakes to bring winter magic indoors. Fold paper into triangles, cut out unique patterns, and unfold to reveal intricate snowflakes. Arrange and tape them to a wall or window. This simple yet elegant wall art is great for any space. Plus, it's a fun activity to do with kids or friends. Pro tip: use different paper colors and textures for a more dynamic look. Finally, let's craft some adorable sock snowmen. You'll need a white sock, rice, rubber bands, fabric scraps, and buttons. Fill the sock with rice, secure with rubber bands to form the body and head, and then decorate with fabric scraps for hats and scarves, and buttons for eyes and noses. These snowmen are a cute addition to your decor and make great gifts too. Pro tip: add essential oils to the rice for a fragrant touch. And there you have it. 5 easy DIY holiday decorations that are sure to bring joy and warmth to your home. Remember, the holidays are all about creativity and spending time with loved ones. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.